Avalanche value equivalent to 707.30 rands a coin. The present cost range 703.19, 751.55. The earlier day close 733.48. The change was 26.18, 357%. Reverse rate ZAR to Avax. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at 1E300 rands. Excessive cost 1E300, while low cost 1E48. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1N94. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1D127. Change for August 13.3%. Avalanche figure for September 2024. Initially cost at 1E27 rands. Excessive cost 1D3.98, while low cost 1E27. They found the middle value of cost 1E240. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1D307. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at 1E307 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E6022, while low cost 1T307. They found the middle value of cost 1T438. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1T516. Change for October 16%. Avalanche gauge for November 2024. In the first place cost at 1T516 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T882, while low cost 1T516. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1N668. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1N759. Change for November 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at 1N759 rands. Excessive cost 1N759, while low cost 1N518. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1N667. Avalanche cost figured toward the month's end 1N632. Change for December 72%. Avalanche figure for January 2025. Before all else cost at 1N632 rands. Excessive cost 1N774, while low cost 1D542. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1N652. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1N658. Change for January 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 1N658 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E659, while low cost 1E442. They found the middle value of cost 1T577. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1T550. Change for February 65%. Avalanche estimate for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 1E550 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T550, while low cost 1E266. They found the middle value of cost 1D432. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1D361. Change for spring 12.2%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at 1D361 rands. Excessive cost 1E361, while low cost 127. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1D265. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1D212. Change for April 10.9%. Avalanche conjecture for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 1E212 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E287, while low cost 1E119. They found the middle value of cost 1E205. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1D203. Change for May 7%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 1E203 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E296, while low cost 1T126. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1E209. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1T211. Change for June 7%. Avalanche conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at 1E211 rands. Excessive cost 1E211, while low cost 1E29. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1E39. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1E106. Change for July 7%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2025. At the outset cost at 1E106 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E373, while low cost 1E106. They found the middle value of cost 1N217. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 283, change for August 16%. Avalanche gauge for September 2025. To start with cost at 283 rands. Exorbitant cost 395, while low cost 213. They found the middle value of cost 299. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 304, change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at 304 rands. Excessive cost 418, while low cost 232. We arrived at the midpoint of cost 320. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 3 to 25, change for October 16%. Avalanche figure for November 2025. Before all else cost at 325 rands. Excessive cost 605, while low cost 3 to 25. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 439. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 500, change for November 2%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at 500 rands. Excessive cost 531, while low cost 331. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 448. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 431, change for December 6%. Avalanche gauge for January 2026. To start with cost at 431 rands. Exorbitant cost 556, while low cost 352. They found the middle value of cost 448. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 454, change for January 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 454 rands. Exorbitant cost 185, while low cost 454. They found the middle value of cost 600. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 687, change for February 16%. Avalanche estimate for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 687 rands. Exorbitant cost 1834, while low cost 594. They found the middle value of cost 707. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 714, change for spring 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 714 rands. Exorbitant cost 1863, while low cost 619. They found the middle value of cost 734. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 741, change for April 16%. Avalanche gauge for May 2026. Before all else cost at 741 rands. Excessive cost 1893, while low cost 645.